This video will teach you how to add a printer in your Krypton POS. But first, before that, you have to install a driver of your printer. And to do that, all you have to do is to go to Device and Printers and click the Add Printer button right here. Now, if you have a generic type of printer, all you have to do is to click the printer that is not in the list and go ahead and add the printer using local printer, networking printer with manual setting. Okay, and you have to assign what port it's currently plugged in. But most of the time, a kitchen or have a USB type of connection, or if you got an older version with, such as with the Epson printers, you can go ahead and set it up as LPT. But for demo purposes, we're gonna select LPT type or the parallel type printer. Go ahead and select next. Go to generic, and you have to select the printer as generic / text only. Click next, and next as a recommendation. Okay, and you have to identify what type of printer is that one. That could be a kitchen printer or receipt printer. For this demo, we're gonna name the printer as kitchen. Click next and finish. You have two options before doing that. You can try to test a connection or connectivity between printer and your POS by clicking the print a test page. By doing that, it will automatically print the Windows printout that's saying your printer is connected to the device or the POS. And after this, all you have to do is to click finish, and it will automatically add a new printer which is named kitchen. And to add this printer in the Krypton POS, you have to open up the Krypton back office. And after doing that, you need to go to General and Device Setup. Now on this one, I already made a sample earlier that named kitchen. I added a kitchen and with an IP 10.0.0.4. This might vary because most of the kitchen got a local connection. You can set up the static IP of the printer and enter it here. So in this sample, I input 10.0.0.4 and with the port number 6 and the access name of it, which is the receipt, or you can change it to kitchen. Okay, and you need to identify what type of printer it is. That could be receipt one or a kitchen. And the driver, of course, you need to identify what the driver of the printer. That could be a generic type or window type. After doing so, all you have to do is click save. And of course, the cache drawer, I just want to remind you that cache drawer is a printer driven. So anything you set up as a receipt printer, you need to input the access name of the cache drawer as a receipt, so that it will automatically send a kick functionality to the drawer and automatically pop up the drawer. Alright. After doing so, all you have to do next is go to terminal setting to set it up with the terminal, and go ahead and select the printer setup tab. As you can see, we only have receipt as a printer, and to add one, all you have to do is go to the lower right hand side, the add button, and select what type of printer it is. So in my case, I have kitchen printer, and all you have to do is to enter the access key for the printer, and just click save, and boom, there you go. Okay, so that's it. To do that, in order for you to test out the printer if it's working successfully, you have to open up the Krypton POS and go to Spooler. And as you can see, we are now we have the kitchen printer as the newly added printer that we have. To do that, to test this printer, the printout, all you have to do is click the test button, and the printer is working fine, as you can see. But since I don't have printer in my POS, it won't print exactly as what you have right now. Okay. After that, you have to click the home button, and you can now go ahead and test if the printer sending to the kitchen. Okay, that's it. And I hope you learned something today, and you have a good night. Bye bye.